So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have an ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. You're asked to find the equation of a circle whose center is at 0, 3 and passing through the foci of this ellipse. So to do this question, first let us find the foci of this ellipse. So foci are nothing but plus or minus AE, 0 because this is a horizontal ellipse. So first let us find E. E is nothing but root of 1 minus B square by A square, 9 by 16. That is equal to root of 7 by 4. And A is nothing but 4. So the foci are plus or minus 4E, 0. So 4E is nothing but root 7. Hence the foci are plus or minus root 7, 0. Now my circle has to pass through these 2 points and has center at 0, 3. So because the center is 0, 3, the circle looks like x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square. That is x square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square. So now there is only one unknown here. If I can find r, my question is done. How do I find r? From the extra condition that the circle passes through plus or minus root 7, 0. You just substitute the equation, substitute this point in the equation. So you get 7, x square is 7 plus y is 0, that is 9, 3 square is 9 is equal to r square. This implies r square is equal to 16. So once you get r square, what is the required equation? X square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 16. Thank you.